Hey folks, let's take a look at the menu side that we have in the two column left or side menu left and side menu right pages. Let me just preview this page here so we can take a look in detail. Right here we have a little menu and you can sort of click a button and it exposes a sub menu if you want or wish. So let's just show you what that is because it's really just a bullet list with a couple of special properties. So we'll just right click and open the library item. Opens it right up, and as you see right here, menu is sub menu. So really it's just a bullet list, a straight old-fashioned bullet list, um, main item, and then an indented item right here. So I'm just going to go to the code view. Now the key is each button here, if it has a down arrow, you see this little down arrow right here, we have to apply a special class to this list item. When I say a special class, here's a list item right here with a class of down arrow added to it. And up top here we have the pound sign, which that would need to be updated. So really it's just a set of menu links. However, key importance here, especially for mobile users, is if you have a menu button with a submenu, this item up here cannot link to a page. You can only use the pound sign as a linkage. So if I hover over this and go to my properties, for example, I scrub over this, menu with sub, you see how it uses the pound sign, or in code view, you see how we use the pound sign? Well, because on a mobile device, you only have the option to, well, basically touch. On a desktop, we can hover over, right? I'm not clicking this button, I'm just hovering over it. And something really cool happens. It changes color, and the little icon over here animates, right? Then when I click, it opens up. Well, on a tablet or a phone, all a user can do is put their finger, sort of over top of the device and then touch. And then when they do that, it will activate and open the submenu. If this particular button was actually linked to a page and a mobile user touched it, it wouldn't even open up the submenu. It would just automatically link off to that page and be going, oh, my menu's broken. No, it's not. It's the menu, these main menu buttons, if they have a submenu below it, they cannot link to a page. They have to have the pound sign. So if you are going to be using this menu without subs, then just get rid of the UL list below it, right? So basically this UL list right here, you can get rid of that entire thing. You see in design view, I just put my mouse on one of these items, go down to my quick tag selector, I select the UL list and I delete, right? Then I can now scrub over this and I can use my little point to file tool and link this top button to a page, just like so. Now it's going to be a regular button. However, if I want this button up here to be a menu button that has submenus, I'm going to leave the linkage as it is. I'm just going to change the name to products or whatever I want to change it to. And then these individual buttons below, I can now link these buttons to the different pages in my site. Here's my product shoe page. I'll select this one and scrub over to the catalog page. And of course, changing the name of the button, I just scrub over and catalog just like so. That's the easy part. It's just a matter of understanding and making sure that when you're working with this type of thing here, that the mobile user, keeping them in mind. Okay. I mean, it's just as easy to go into code view, and if you need 10 more submenus, copy, paste, 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 flip back to design view, make your changes, or just put your cursor here, enter to create a new submenu, new menu, and then I can just simply, boom. At this point on, really it's just working with a bullet list and linking the text in that list to pages in your site, or using the link tool here to create a link to an external website, however you want to, or wherever you want to link that to. So, and that's it. That's sort of the ins and outs. It's just it's a fairly simple thing, as long as we keep in mind that when we're working with submenus, the main button up here, when you scrub over it like I'm doing right now, right down here, we need to keep that pound sign. Then you can link all the items below it to whatever pages you want.